Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm here to give you the sneak peek video for Candy's Card Club for December. So every month I choose a stamp set, typically a bundle, and I create 8 cards using the bundle, and then add some really fun consumables and send out project packets and all these goodies to Card Club members. So this is a subscription. It is available as a single time class as well. And I'll explain a little bit of that as we move forward. So I have chosen this beautiful, beautiful Light and Wonder bundle for the 8 cards for Candy's Card Club. Love, love, love the fonts, the mixed fonts, the way you can mix and match the greetings. It is a photopolymer stamp set. Now there are also some really fun dies in here to create scenes. So there are snowdrifts and mountains and snowbanks and ice, like ice lakes or regular lakes and clouds, all kinds of fun things that you can do with this bundle. And I'll show you that you can create both snowy and icy scenes as well as summer scenes. So let me show you what's in the kit, and then I'll show you the sneak peek of the cards. So in Candy's Card Club, I always give you 8 beautiful Stampin' Up envelopes. These are super high quality, and all of your projects are sorted into your envelope so that they're very easy to find all the pieces. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So a little bit more. You will get a half a pack of this Lights of Aurora Designer Series paper, beautiful color palette. And you will get 4 each of 6 designs. So each design has a beautiful Northern Lights pattern, and then the other side is, these really soft colors that you can just do a whole host of things with. So I think this is a really good value for you, and very versatile. That's one of the things I work hard at with Candy's Card Club, is to give you versatility. I'm going to give you a full pack of these coordinating iridescent dots. They are just I think they're not transparent, frosted iridescent dots. And then this beautiful, beautiful balmy blue ribbon. It's like an organza. It's or organdy. It's very easy to tie, and I'll show you what I mean. So before I show you all of the projects, I just wanted to share with you, Candy's Card Club is actually the easy button for you. So I used to have a card class, monthly class, that was basically 8 cards like this. And I would oftentimes have people say, oh, I forgot to sign up. Do you have any kits left? And this happened frequently. So I turned this into a subscription, and it's just the easy button for you. Now, you can unsubscribe at any time, but you do get perks with your subscription. So I do 2 each of 4 cards. So, 8 completely different cards, and yet with similarities. So you can see how we've got a winter and a summer, super fun designs, and all of the die cutting is done for you. And I've used some of this very fun Silent Snowfall specialty paper, and I'm using that in a couple of different designs. So I think that I've given you a lot of versatility, variety, and value is what I endeavor to deliver with Candy's Card Club. And I believe I've done that successfully with the December designs. I always give you at least 2 fun folds. So these are awesome, awesome projects. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with them. And these are actually really simple to put together. They have a lot of wow factor, but they're quite simple to put together. Now, the 3 colors of ink that I used are Blackberry Bliss, Berry Burst, and a little bit of Balmy Blue for your snowy scenes. So you can have those on hand. There are basic colors with Stampin' Up. You can add them on if you wish, and let me just tell you, all of this comes to you prepped and ready to stamp and assemble, and that is for my Card Club members. It's $45. That includes your shipping, your tracking, your PDF tutorials, all the things. If you are a non-club member, it is $49, so you do pay a bit more. If you are a card club member, you do get loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months. I give you a really nice package at a value of about $25. So that is my December Candies Card Club. Registration is open and runs through December 12th. And my card club always ships out between the 17th and 20th of the month. I aim for the 17th. The 20th is there as a buffer in case I've got product coming and hung up in the mail a little bit or something like that. Or we have like a, over the weekend you don't get deliveries like we do during the week. So that is it. I hope you will consider choosing to purchase Candies Card Club for December, or even better, just joining the club if you're not already a member. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.